What's up, Live Lean Nation? Brad Becker here from LiveLeanTV.com. Now today, I want to share a quick and easy post-workout shake recipe that is perfect for people looking to lose weight while maintaining lean muscle to keep their metabolism fast and healthy. So I call it the super-powered lean and green post-workout shake for weight loss. But before I share the recipe, let me explain why the nutrients in this shake will help with weight loss. It's high in protein and lower in calories and carbohydrates. Low in carbohydrates? Say what? Now I know you probably heard me say that carbohydrates post-workout are a good thing. In some cases it is, especially when you're already lean and looking to build muscle. If that's you, this post-workout shake recipe is not for you. So guys, here's a link to a post-workout shake, or maybe it's over here, that is better suited for your muscle building goals. So the difference with this post-workout shake is that it's specifically designed for overweight people who are following a low-carb fat loss diet. But here's a shocker, guys. When you're overweight and your goal is fat loss, carbohydrates are not as essential after your workout. The reason is, with all that extra stored body fat, your glycogen levels are probably close to or already at capacity. So when you have a fat loss goal, it's more important to keep sugar consumption lower, as you want to turn your body into a fat burning machine. This means you want to burn stored body fat for energy, not sugar. However, guys, with all this said, it's still very important to take a protein shake after your workout that contains key nutrients to increase muscle protein synthesis. So protein synthesis promotes muscle growth, muscle repair, and muscle recovery to prevent further muscle breakdown caused by your workout. So remember, since your goal is weight loss, it's also super important to do whatever you can to maintain muscle while you're in that calorie deficit. This is key because maintaining lean muscle is critical in building a fast and healthy metabolism. So focus on losing weight from stored body fat, not weight from lean muscle. So the nutrients in the protein, the essential amino acid leucine, and the strength building creatine supplement will help build and maintain lean calorie crushing muscle while burning off the stored body fat. And another key thing with your post-workout shake is maintaining hydration. So after a workout, your body can be depleted of water. Therefore, it's important to drink lots of water after your workouts. And this post-workout shake can help you increase your water consumption. And the other important thing for your post-workout shake is to replenish your body with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So guys, after a tough workout, your body is like a sponge that is just looking to suck up a wide variety of these vitamins, of these minerals, of these phytonutrients and antioxidants to help speed up recovery. So the green superfood cocktail and spinach will definitely add more of these superfood nutrients to your diet. So with all that said, guys, let's get into the recipe. First, you're gonna add 1.5 cups of water to a glass. Put a handful of spinach in there, 1 scoop of greens powder, 30 to 40 grams of protein. Then we got 3 grams of leucine, 5 grams of creatine, stevia if you like more sweetness, and then ice cubes. I like 3, but you do you. Put on the lid and blend that bad boy up. This is gonna be delicious. And guys, I have discount links to all these supplements down below in the video description. Let's give this baby a try. Damn, that's good. Hello, fat burning machine. Cheers. So guys, for more cooking videos, meal plans, and monthly workout programs, go join our TeamLiveLean.com group coaching platform. You are gonna love it, and we can't wait to see you on the inside. So thanks for watching, guys, and keep